Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best garden tool bag tested that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Bucket Boss Gatemouth Tool Tote. The Bucket Boss Gatemouth Tool Tote in brown, model 70012, is a versatile and durable tool storage solution with a capacity of 11 liters. This rugged tote is designed to help you carry and organize your tools with ease. Its distinctive gatemouth opening provides quick and easy access to your tools and gear, making it a convenient choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The brown color adds a touch of style to your tool collection. With its sturdy construction and ample space, this tool tote is an excellent choice for keeping your essential tools organized and ready for any project. Moving on at number 4, we have WorkPro Garden Tool Bag. The WorkPro Garden Tool Bag is a must-have for gardening enthusiasts. This durable and versatile garden tote storage bag measures 12 inches by 12 inches by 6 inches and features 8 pockets, making it a perfect home organizer for both indoor and outdoor gardening tasks. It offers a convenient and efficient way to keep your gardening tools, such as trowels, pruners, and gloves, well organized and easily accessible. Please note that tools are not included with the bag. With its sturdy construction and ample pocket space, this toolkit holder is not only functional but also makes for a fantastic gardening gift for friends and family who love spending time in the garden. At number 3, we have Housolution Gardening Tote Bag. The Housolution Gardening Tote Bag is a deluxe garden tool storage solution and home organizer, perfect for gardeners of all levels. Measuring 14 inches, this dark green tote bag is not only stylish but also incredibly durable and wear-resistant, designed to withstand the rigors of gardening. With multiple pockets, it offers ample space for storing all your gardening essentials, from hand tools to seeds and gloves. The reinforced handles and strong materials ensure it's a reliable and reusable companion for all your gardening endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tote bag makes gardening more organized and convenient. At number 2, we have Scuttles Garden Tool Set. The Scuttles Gardening Tool Set is the perfect gardening gift for women. This 8-piece gardening kit includes essential hand tools like a garden shovel, hand shovel, and other practical gardening tools. It's a thoughtful present for any woman who enjoys spending time in the garden. These tools are not only functional but also designed with user comfort in mind. Whether it's planting, weeding, or tending to your garden, this kit has you covered. With Scuttles high-quality gardening tools, you can make your outdoor space even more beautiful and cultivate your plants with ease. It's a fantastic gift for both experienced and novice gardeners. And finally at number 1, California Picnic 9-Piece Garden Tool. The garden tool set with a convenient organizer tote and included gardening gloves is a fantastic 9-piece kit suitable for both women and men. This comprehensive gardening accessories kit is the perfect gift for any gardener. It includes essential garden tools that are easy to carry and store in the provided tote. The set is designed to cover a wide range of gardening tasks, from planting to weeding and more. With the included gardening gloves, your hands stay protected while working in the garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this kit from Gardener's Supply has all the tools you need for a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.